All Pro Gutter Guards provides professional downspout installation in Allentown, Pennsylvania, ensuring efficient water drainage that protects your home from foundation damage. Our experienced team delivers durable, precision-fitted downspout solutions designed to enhance your gutter system's performance year-round. Call our downspout installation if you have any questions. Are you looking for a downspout installation near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Gutter Guards. What downspout sizes and materials does All Pro Gutter Guards install? We install standard and oversized aluminum downspouts, available in multiple colors to match your home's exterior. Our materials are durable, rust-resistant, and designed to withstand Allentown's weather conditions. How long does a typical downspout installation take? Most installations can be completed in just a few hours, depending on the number of downspouts and the complexity of your gutter system. What is your service area for the Allentown, Pennsylvania service office? Our downspout installations serve the following: Allentown, Fogelsville, Trexlertown, East Texas, Wescosville, Emmaus, Ancient Oaks, Macungie, Albertus, Brennigsville, Shimerville, Zionsville, Mertztown, Maxitani, Lehigh County, Laurie's Station, Dorneyville, New Tripoli, Egypt, Schnecksville, Pennsylvania. Where is your Allentown, Pennsylvania downspout installation office located? We are located at 1275 Glenlivet Drive, Suite 100, Allentown, Pennsylvania 18106. Our phone number is 610-810-3853. Visit our website, www.appgutterguards.com/Allentown-PA.